So this is what I said for last week's Nifty analysis. Now, when I'll be interested is if the market does do a pullback over till here, and then I'll be looking for some kind of a pattern. Once I have that pattern, then I'll be looking on for the call option. And yes, if the market is going up, the first target will be for me at this highs. And if it is breaking this high, then what we can expect is the market to do a move up till 18,000. You could say that I'm keeping that as an even handle number, which is right over 1.272 Fibonacci level extension. Now that could be a trend termination level. Now for the fun part, this is how the market has done its move. Now I'm going to tell you step by step on how I got involved in the trade, and also we'll be doing further analysis on Nifty and some of the forex pairs and maybe Banknifty as well. So stay tuned. All right, let's remove all these drawings, and let's just remove the Fibonacci first, because I want to know about this zone. I'm going into the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that the week opened with a gap down, right? The gap down, and it went all the way testing this structure over here. Now I was expecting for the pattern to get finished, so I got involved for a short trade. So that basically I was going for a put option on this one. So put option, I was expecting the market to go all the way down till here. Now why I was expecting the market to go over there is, if you go on to the 60 minutes time frame, you can see one pattern getting over almost near to that level which I was mentioning. So C and D somewhere over here, yeah, it is almost over there, right? And the market did reach over there, and I came out of the session of the put option. Now I was expecting a reversal from here. So again, going back to the 15 minutes, you can see that we have an inverse head and shoulder over here. The left shoulder, you have this head, and the right shoulder. Now this is another confirmation for me. This candle has given me the confirmation. This candle has given me the confirmation that the market has the potential to go up until where I was expecting. Again, look left, almost near to the previous structure. And again, the market was struggling to go up from there. We do have a flag pattern after a move up. So yeah, I was expecting the market to go up, but the next day it opened with a gap up. So I did miss a good amount of move. I do not hold on to my trade for the next day, especially when it comes to options. I'm more of a scalper come intraday trader. You can say that, I guess. I'm not sure. But yeah, I do not hold on my trade to the next day. In options, I would like to take profits on that same day itself. So after that, like we mentioned in the previous video, that I was expecting the market to go up to this level. Now that was because of this Fibonacci ratio, swing low to swing high and back to started. Now we have this 127 over there. Now at 127, we did have the double top. Now after having the double top, we have this neckline also broken. Now I am expecting this to do a pullback. Now where do I expect the market to do a pullback is, we can draw a Fibonacci for this move. So I'm going to remove all this drawing so that it is easier for me to understand where to where I'm drawing. So I'm going to draw from this swing low, because if you go into the higher time frame, you will see this one huge move as one impulse move. So what do I mean by that is, if you go to the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame, does not matter, this is one impulse move, right? So since I'm expecting this to do a pullback, I wanted to know how much it could be. There is a small pause over here which I can see. right? So let's see whether that area makes any sense with the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci retracement from swing low to swing high. We have 618 over there, so I can create a zone like this from 618 to 50%. And if it could do till here, that would be great. Even the gap will get closed. That's a good sign. And then again, I'm expecting the market to do some kind of reversal over here, maybe a double bottom or a loss of momentum pattern, and then go up from here again. Now obviously I'll be again targeting for this high, but if it is breaking and closing above this high, we can go for the extended move. So that is from swing low to swing high and back to where we started. So that is 127 over here. That gives us 18120 level. So this is what I'm expecting on Nifty. Let's move on to the next one. So we are on the Banknifty chart on 60 minutes time frame. Now there are patterns back to back. So one of the pattern which already it has done its move is this one. Now there is no point drawing about this, but this is how I was able to predict that the market has the potential to go up. But it didn't go up in one straight way. It did some ebbs and flows until it reached here. So there is another pattern which is forming over here, right? So it is getting over here. So according to this pattern, we can expect the market to do a pullback almost till 37,500. That is my first level, and then probably to 37,128. So this is my first target, and this will be my extended target. Now we do not have any other information much. There could be a chance that it can just blow up on the all the way top, but in order to do further analysis, I need more information. As of now, this much only I can say for the Banknifty. Once this move is done, then I'll be able to predict more whether it is going into a consolidation or is it going to break up to about this high. As of now, this much is what I have for the Banknifty. I'm on the Forex chart, EURUSD daily time frame. Now for EURUSD, I was expecting the market to retest this low, okay, but before that we have a strong bullish candle, and I am expecting a reversal. Now why do I expect? Is it because of this bullish candle, strong bullish one? Not really. It's because of some patterns which is forming in the lower time frame. So what do we see here is on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market was in a good downtrend. So we have another inverse head and shoulder over here, right? And yeah, the inverse head and shoulder, it is still forming. It is not yet confirmed. We will get a confirmation once we have a break and close about this high, right? So once we have that, then we can say that okay, the market has the potential to go up. Now till where it can go up, I will go back to the daily time frame again, and we can see that there is a small pause over here as well. So let's draw one horizontal line just to see whether it makes sense. And yeah, the market did test multiple number of times. And also let's look at a Fibonacci retracement for this one. So swing, this is one impulse move, one good impulse move. So let's draw this Fibonacci, and we can see that 50% is almost near to that level. So maybe I will move my line to the 50%. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to go up till here and then probably do a retest on this one. So that's what I'm seeing for EURUSD for next week. I'm on the daily chart of NZDCAD. Now this pair has moved exactly like how I have predicted last week. So have a look at that video again, and I will do further analysis on this for the coming week. Market, it's never perfect. And also if we can get extension to see whether it's a trend termination, We have 1414 over here, which is getting terminated right at the structure. So everything is telling me that the market has the potential to do another pullback over here. Also, if you see this move, that has been a strong impulse move. So we can expect a good amount of pullback for this one. Now, the target position for this will be, you can go ahead and take it from A to D, the Fibonacci retracement. The first target you can take it out at 382, and the second target you can take it at 618. Now, how do you take advantage of this pattern? Is we had a descending triangle over here. So this is the descending triangle. Now, if you want to re-enter, probably you could wait for another pattern over here, and then you can go ahead and take out the profit at 382. Stop loss. Now, I cannot tell you about the stop loss according to the pattern. It has to be about the structure level. Now, that is going to be a huge stop loss if you're going to take out your target at 382. But if you see any reversal signal over here, the stop loss could be kept over here as well. Now, that depends upon if you're getting the reversal signal somewhere in this area. If you get over there, then you can keep the stop loss over here. If your reversal signal is even more higher, then you need to adjust your stop loss accordingly. So now I'm on the 1 hour chart of NZDCAD, and just like I mentioned, the market did do a pullback and it did not break this previous high as well. I was able to get involved in the trade on this candle, and then it has moved out. It did give a pain in the starting. It was playing around, so I was expecting the market might hit my stop loss. However, the plan worked. It did reach my target. The problem here now, what I'm facing is the market hit my target when I was sleeping. Basically, I was drunk and slept, but it was in the midnight 1:30 a.m. You can see that over here. I'm in India, so yes, the market closes at around 2 o'clock or 1:30 in that time zone. So the moment market opens, or when I wake up in the morning on Monday, I will be moving my stop loss to break even. So this is a risk-free trade, and also I'll be booking half of my position on this one. For people who are planning to enter on this one, I'm expecting this to go further down, just like how I mentioned in the previous video, the last week's video. So I am expecting the market to come down till 618. Now, why I'm expecting is, if you go up to the weekly time frame, I guess. Yeah, let me remove all this drawings. Yeah, we do have a lower low, lower close candle, right? So I am expecting the market to do a go further down. So how do we take advantage on this one is, we can expect the market to do a pullback. Now, a pullback till this level would be great. Now, why I'm saying this is because, again, look left, we have structures over here, right? Or if we can get a retest over here, that would be even better. It can do over till here as well. Now, all depends upon what the market will show me over here, like whether is it giving me any reversal pattern over here, or is it going to give me any reversal pattern over here. So basically, I need to wait and watch. I cannot tell exactly where the market can go. I have to look at the market and decide at that particular time whether I will get a double top over here or any other reversal pattern. Double top is something which always comes in my mouth. Or if the market goes up and gives me probably a head and shoulder or a loss of momentum, any reversal pattern over here would be an interesting way to enter the trade over here. So again, we can target the 618 next, which we can draw it again from this low to high, and we can target this 87,695 level, which is around 618 of Fibonacci. So that's all for this week's analysis, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good trading week.